independent offices and constitutional commissions are in conflict, and they start an all-out war in the press, we confuse the people of Kenya and they get lost. Let us use this framework. Where there are issues, please let our office know so that we call you and we listen and we try to create a framework for engagement. We have had some nasty exchanges between the Office of the Attorney General and the Public Service Commission. It is unnecessary. Within this framework, whatever issues that are creating a misunderstanding between any office and another, we can settle. We have had issues between the Teacher Service Commission and the Ministry of Education. My office has put the two together and discussions are ongoing, and we have made very good progress so that we avoid confusing the people of Kenya, where people who are supposed to work together to collectively deliver services, deliver justice, deliver leadership to the people of Kenya, we are fighting each other. We have had nasty exchanges that are necessary between the Inspector General of Police and the Police Service Commission over the press. We have put the two offices together, the Constitutional Commission, that is a Police Service Commission, and the Inspector General of Police, and already discussions are going on and we have made very good progress. We have had exchanges between the Controller of Budget and the Council of Governors. It is unnecessary. Within this framework that the President in his wisdom put together at the Presidency, where the Council of Governors feels that probably the service delivery to the people who put them in office is being affected because of certain decisions the Controller of Budget has made. Instead of an all-out war there, please let us utilize this framework. And the Controller of Budget and the Council of Governors, we put them together and we can have a discussion. There has been issues between the National Treasury and the Controller of Budget. I want to appeal that this mechanism is available to all of us to be able to have a good discussion. We have had issues between the Parliamentary Service Commission and the Judicial Service Commission, where Parliament feels that the judiciary is encroaching on the independence of Parliament. And in many cases, we have taken each other to court. And the folly of it all is that when one of government takes another arm of government to court, both lawyers are paid by the public. The same public that we serve. We are here talking about limited resources. We are here talking about a very tight fiscal space. We are here saying we don't have money for development. We don't have money to buy you vehicles. Yet, court, you pay lawyers. They engage lawyers. But the one paying both lawyers on both sides is the same person, the people of Kenya. And it's not fair. It's very unfair to the people of Kenya that we are having a challenge in terms of revenue collection to get enough money to give services to the people of Kenya, to pay salaries, to make sure that every institution is fulfilling its mandate. Then, because we have a difference that is really not personal, I want to urge from this retreat that we all agree that it is not necessary for one office to take another to court and we hire lawyers to be paid by the public. I had a meeting with the KTDA and the Tea Board of Kenya, and some directors from KTDA took each other to court, and the lawyers are asking for 600 million. And this money will be paid by the tea farmers. Yet they were having leadership wrangles that have nothing to do with the tea farmer in Kenya. Yet, because they occupy public offices, it is those people will pay. And I was telling the Attorney General, and it's something